Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. Today is Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. It's time, of course, to run our daily database update. So let's switch to the R directory, switch to CLED. Okay, let's do this. Pull down our data. Let's see something here, New York Times. Okay, this takes a minute to download. Our World in Data set. Let's come up here. And as is always our case, let's run package update. And there's nothing updated, so that's good. Then, of course, we can switch to our database scripts. So that's done. So first of all, let's update the New York Times database. And this will take just a minute. Before we get started, I do have one small request. And that's it that you click on the share button. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. If you have clicked on the subscribe button, thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you guys and gals who are subscribing to the Caribou Data Science channel. Secondly, I would appreciate if you click on the share button and share the link to this video with one other person today, okay? That's all I'm asking, just share it with one person. Okay, so let's take a look over here at R World in data set, okay? And we can, of course, run this now. Now, the R World in data set does include as you can see, the Johns Hopkins University and R World in data. So you can see there's nothing really surprising about this data. I'm not quite sure, of course, why all of a sudden there's this more volatility back up here on a day-to-day basis. That's a bit of a mystery. But anyway, let's come back over here and let's check the database itself. Our world in data. Come over here. Johns Hopkins is the 24th. Oops, that's not right. You see Johns Hopkins is 118. The date sequence is 1 day behind. But that doesn't actually mean that the data is 1 day behind. Over here, because what you'll see here is it's actually listed for today, but in actual fact, this is either 1 day ahead, or Johns Hopkins University is 1 day behind, and how they're recording the data. But anyway, so what this tells us is that the database is working fine and it's updated correctly. So this will conclude the first of my daily reports for today. Thanks so much for your time.